Python GUI programming Tkinter. Developing desktop-based applications with Python. Tkinter is not a complex task. An empty Tkinter top-level window can be created by using following steps. First step, import the Tkinter module. Second step, create the main application window. At third step, add the widget like labels, buttons, frames, etc. to the window. At last, call the main event loop so that the actions can take place on the user's computer screen. Open Python IDE. Now open Python file. From Tkinter, import all. Creating the application main window. Top equal to tk function. Entering the event main loop. Top dot main loop function. Now run the program. You can see the output is an empty Tkinter window. Thanks for watching video. Hit bell icon to get new video.